I'm impressed. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, leave a comment, tell us what you think, and share these videos with your friends. We really appreciate it. As you may have seen in our last video, we used the Chemical Guys spray foam kit to clean up the Cadet ZT1 zero-turn lawnmower. I'll leave a link in the description to that video if you want to take a look. But today we're just going to be using it to wash up the Jeep Wrangler here. So what came in this kit is the Chemical Guys Signature Series Glass Cleaner, streak-free formula. We won't be using that today. Haven't used it yet, actually. Still in the wrapping. It also came with the Silk Shine protection for vinyl, rubber, and plastic. Haven't used that. We won't be using that today either. The Honeydew Snow Foam Auto Wash. We did use this on the ZT1, the zero-turn lawnmower, in that previous video I just mentioned. We will not be using that today. I have a different idea. Also came with the Chemical Guys Butter Wet Wax Deep Wet Shine. We haven't used that yet either. Still in the wrapping. Not today. And the Diablo Wheel Cleaner for all wheel types. Haven't used that yet either. That'll be for the Challenger, the Scat Pack. Came with a wheel brush. That'll be great for the Scat Pack. Once again, will not be using that today on the Wrangler. An applicator pad. This bucket with a dirt tray that's supposed to catch the dirt when you put the hand mitt in or the brush in. It should allow the dirt to sink to the bottom and not get on the brush. And this bucket, as well as the foam cannon, obviously, the tip and the hose connector. This one just goes on the regular hose. Today, though, I'm going to try to use the Meguiar's Gold Clash Car Wash Auto Soap instead of the Honeydew. Now this Honeydew is about $15 for 16 ounces. This is maybe 10 for 64 ounces. So save a little bit of money, you know. Save this for the Challenger. Not sure if it's going to work as well because it might be some kind of special soap for the foam cannon. We'll find out. So let's get to it. Really got to buy a new hose here. It's on just about its last leg. I'm not sure if it'll be as foamy, if that's kind of some special mixture, but might as well give this a shot, see if it will do the trick for cleaning up like the Jeep and stuff. Tighten her down. I'll leave it set on number 4. See how that does. Next to the hose, like so. Let's see. Yeah, we already got this pollen crap. So I don't know. To tell you the truth, I think the Meguiar's Gold Class car wash worked just as good as the Chemical Guy's foam. Now this wasn't an extravagant, detail of the Jeep. I just wanted to get it cleaned up since it hasn't been washed since the snow. We're going to be getting the top and doors off here pretty soon. Maybe we'll get you a video of how we do that. I know a lot of people do it differently. We actually have a winch in our garage that we hook it up to. But overall, I'm really impressed with that foam cannon. I think we'll like a pressure washer one a little bit more because it throws more of the foam on it. Now, I didn't do any hand washing with this. That was just spraying it on and spraying it off and drying it off. It definitely did a decent job. I mean, there's a couple spots that I probably would like to hit with the hand mitt, or at least a microfiber brush. But overall, I think it did a really great job for being hands-free. And this stuff worked fine. So that might be a little cheaper alternative if you don't want to spend the money. I believe these are about 15 bucks a piece. It's only 16 ounces. This is probably $8-9 for 64 ounces. So for the non, in-depth detail washes that you're gonna do, I think Meguiar's will do just fine. I'll save the honeydew for like the Challengers and stuff like that. Another thing I'm really impressed with, which we got last year, were these microfiber towels. We got them on Amazon. I'll throw a link in the description. They really soak up the water good, and they don't leave, swirl marks or scratches in the paint, which is exceptionally hard with black paint. What do we got here? This beauty of a machine. Stay tuned, we're gonna get this thing back up and running too. Hit that subscribe button and the bell icon.